Hi there, friends! My name is Eva Charlotte, and I'm so thrilled to welcome you to Rainbow Valley. This magical place is where colors dance in the sunlight and adventures wait around every corner. Today, I'm on a mission to explore all its wonders, meet new friends, and fill this world with fun and joy. Are you ready to join me on an unforgettable journey? Let's dive into the colorful world of Rainbow Valley, full of amazing discoveries and laughter.
Colors, oh so bright, painting our valley with pure delight. With Eva Charlotte, we'll dance and play. A rainbow shines our way today. Red's a rose so bold and grand, petals bloom across the land. Bright and soft in valleys glow, red's the hue we love to know. Blue's the river cool and deep, flowing where the willows weep. Sparkling white, it runs so free. Blue's the shade for all to see. Yellow sunshine warm and bright, golden rays bring pure delight. Fields aglow, they light the day. Yellow cheers in every way. Green's the grass so lush and tall, swaying soft where breezes call. Hills alive with emerald hue, green's the color strong and true. Colors, oh so bright, painting our valley with pure delight. With Eva Charlotte, we'll dance and play. A rainbow shines our way today. Orange is a pumpkin, round and neat, glowing warm, a valley treat. Bold and sweet beneath the sun, orange shines for everyone. Purple's grapes so rich and fine, juicy jewels on valley vine. Deep and sweet they catch the eye, purple's charm will never die. White's a cloud so soft and high, fluffy drifts across the sky. Pure and light, it floats so free, white's the peace for all to see. Black's the night so deep and grand, stars that twinkle o'er the land. Dark and bold, it wraps the skies, black's the mystery in our eyes. Gray's the stone so smooth and still, lining paths on valley hill. Calm and strong, they stand so true, gray's the shade for me and you. Rainbow gleams, all colors blend, arcing high from end to end. Valley glows with every hue, rainbow's joy for me and you. Colors, oh so bright, painting our valley with pure delight. With Eva Charlotte, we've had such fun, a rainbow shines for everyone.
Wow! It's so amazing to see all these colors around. Each one brings happiness and joy. Today, I've learned that the world is full of incredible discoveries, and every moment is a new chance for fun. I invite you, friends, to explore together. Let's celebrate all the colors in our lives and make this world even brighter. Are you ready for new adventures? Let's have fun and create our own colorful stories.